Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, February 17, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, February 17, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong February 17, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 5 PM draw result. Top 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, February 17, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, February 17, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, February 17, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.